Hi, this is Gail, and I'm one of the coaches at Healthy Life Connect and Healthy Life America. And I'm going to show you a little bit about how to get around your portal and how to find the things that you need to find in order to make this accessible and work for you. So when you first log in, you are going to be on the dashboard. I need to tell you that this video is being done on a test site and that it's very generic. So you may have different links within your portal, but everybody is going to have these links in their portal. On the right-hand side, you'll have the ability to put in a picture for yourself. Your name is going to show up. You can click the log out here to get out. The top site this is what we call our black navigation bar, just because it's the color black. And on the left-hand side, all the way over here, you're going to see something that says My Sites, and you're going to be able to hover over it, and all of your sites that, the sites that you have access to will be there in a drop-down menu. You may have access to 1 or 2 or 3, just kind of depending upon what's available within your portal. The first, over here on the right-hand side, these little boxes, when we build the sites out, these little boxes on the right-hand side are called widgets. So you may have a virtual coaching room in your widgets, you may not. But everybody is going to see recent updates, which are going to be the articles that were recently updated to the library. Your library categories, so you can select a category and then choose one from the very many we have. We have over 600 articles right now in our library, and you can choose any of these, and when you click on it, it takes you to the page with all of the articles on cardiovascular disease. You can also schedule a coaching session, or it may say make an appointment. I'm not sure what will say on yours. If you come to the top, this is the dashboard, and the dashboard is a lot like a Facebook style interface. So you can add something here, and if you do, you can add a picture, an image. You can add and upload an image from your own computer. You can add a YouTube video or a link from outside. You can post it under your profile, or you can post it in any of the groups that you belong to. So you don't have to go into the group to post to a group, and I will explain to you what groups are in just a minute. As you're looking down the dashboard, I put this in. This is what's new today, 33 minutes ago. You can post on the dashboard, or you can post, or you can also look, and see who posted in your groups. So I posted in this group 10 months ago. Like I said, this is a test site. We put it up 10 months ago to do something else, and no one's really been in it since. So you can you can post in images like I just did there for our developer, and obviously you can post craziness like posting. But anyway, you can also see what your mentions, who mentioned you, and no one's mentioned me because no one's in this test site except me. And then you can see what all the members are doing, and that includes the Healthy Life editor, and she uploads articles every day into our library. And so right here, you can see that articles have been uploaded into the library, and you can see then also this particular thing was uploaded 10 months ago. Now the library, this site doesn't often get articles uploaded, so that's why you're not seeing anything more recent articles being in here. So let's head over to the library, and in the dashboard you notice that the pictures, the images were much smaller. In the library the images are much larger, and I apologize, I meant to make this change before I did this video. But in the library, there is a sticky post at the top, and in everybody's library, and it will say About Us and Help Videos. And that's where you'll see a little bit more about our company and links, or not links, but the actual videos that are like this one, showing you how to use specific things within the website. You have access to forums, where these forums are either attached to a group or they are freestanding forums, and you'll be able to see Like, for instance, this one is a group forum. It was the email digest group, and there are no posts within it, and no topics, and no posts, and no nothing. Inside the groups, so forums are a place for you to talk with other people around a specific topic. A group is an area in the website for you to gather around a specific topic, but to have more access than just conversation. Inside of our university, we have groups around some of our specific courses where we might do some group coaching. We offer some specific goal templates that people can use in order to help them achieve the goals that they want to achieve within the context of that specific group attached to a specific course. So in this area, when you click on groups on your portal, you're going to see a list of all the groups within the portal except for ones that are hidden. If there's a hidden group, you're not going to be able to see it. There aren't that many of those. But generally, they're either public or private. If they are private, you can ask to be admitted as an individual, and there will be a link over here, and it just says, ask for access or request access, and you click on that, and it goes to the administrator of the group, and it says so-and-so would like to become a member of this group, and then they say yay or nay, and then you find out. If it's a public group, the way this one is, all you have to do is click on the group link. You get inside the group, and once you're inside the group, you're automatically a member of that group. Now, when you were back on the dashboard, we saw that I posted inside of a group. I think this was posted. There was one of these that was posted inside of a group. Here, this was posted inside of the email digest group 10 months ago. It shows up on my dashboard because I'm a member of that group. Even though it's a public group, if I'm not a member of the group, it's not going to show up on my dashboard, and I won't be able to see what's going on in that group. And if I want to see what's going on across all the groups that I'm a member of, private or public, I just click on my groups in the dashboard, and without with all the other member things deleted. So anybody who just posted something in their dashboard, or library things or courses that were added, all that stuff will be taken away. It's stripped away, and all you're going to see are the things that were posted in your particular groups. Inside the group, you have access to get to the forum that is attached to that group. So you can click here to get to the forum. You can see who the members are. If it's a private group, or even if it's a public group, you can send invitations to people that you know and who are your friends. And you have some email options to manage yourself. The manage won't show up for you. It shows up for me because I'm the administrator. And there will be another link here called goals. It's not on this one, but it will be on yours, and it'll say goals. All the groups have goals. And this is our GPS system. And we call it our goal positioning strategies. And it's our goal management system that we've designed specifically to help you identify the things in your life that you'd like to change, set up goals in order to reach what you want to be, the person that you want to be, the things that you want to achieve, and set yourself up tasks and a list of things that you have to do on a daily basis, a weekly basis, a monthly basis, whatever it is, in order to achieve those goals. If the goal is attached to a group, you're going to be able to see it inside the group by just clicking on the link that says goals. Otherwise, you'll be able to see it also within GPS goals under that link. And in this goal manager, there are no goals set up. Like I said, it's a test site, and there are no tasks that are found for me. But on your site, the group area that you join, when you click on goals, it'll have a goal manager area that looks almost identical to this, and you'll be able to set up new goals. within the group. So either your administrator will be able to set up the goal, or you'll be able to set up the goal depending upon the group. So if you wanted to start a new goal, this is a large, overreaching goal, and say I want to, and this is for, I don't know, we'll say eat healthy. It's the only thing I can think of right now. And some details about the group. And you might want to search for users to add them right now, or you might not. Just add the goal to yourself, and if it's created within the group, then it'll be available to everyone within the group. So here we have a eat healthy goal, and we can come over here to tasks, and we're going to create ourselves a task. And so I'm going to learn how to go shopping. Learn how to grocery shop healthy. And that's just, this is the overarching goal, to eat healthy. This is one of the tasks that I have to achieve in order to eat healthy. And underneath learn how to grocery shop healthy, I need to figure out what are some of the things I need to learn how to do. Well, I need to learn how to read labels. And then I can set a due date, and I can also select a user. And so I'm the only person in this particular test site, so I'm the only user that's going to show up, and we're going to add the task. Now, one of the nice things about this system is we're in the eat healthy. So we're going to come back here, and we're going to go back into the GPS goals. And we're going to look down here, and here's the goal. Here's the new goal, eat healthy. And here are my tasks. These are the things that are assigned to me, whether they are assigned to you within a goal or within just the GPS system. Here's the goal is eat healthy, and this is under the learn how to go grocery shopping. It is the task of read labels. So this is my current tasks. I can also look to see if I set a date and I've gone past the date, what are my outstanding tasks? And have I completed them? Have I checked it off? Now, I can check things off by either going back under the goal of eating healthy, or I can check it off here and just click it right here. Within this goal is a calendar, and you'll be able to see when things are due, and you can look at it from, because a lot of us are very visual, and we don't want to just look at a list of things that need to be done, because each of these tasks are going to fall under a goal. And so under the goal 1, you might have something due this week on goal 2, last week on goal 3, next week, and you want to see how it all pans out in a calendar. It all shows up down here. So after we come out of our GPS goals, you'll have access. If you have access within your portal, you might have some access to courses. And if you do within your portal, they're here. Our university has a large number of courses, and that's available within the university. You may also have access to making appointments. And so within your portal, if your administrator would like you to be able to make appointments with a coach or with themselves, you can have access right here to make an appointment. And you can also see a list of members who are within the site. So within this site, there's many of me. So I have lots of different people that are me, and a couple of other people that have come in here. And this is where I would put in, or click that I want to add you as a friend. So this is me, who I am right now, and this is another one of my couple of my test things. And so I could click to add as a friend. And if I click add as a friend, now it's going to show up as a friend request. And when I log in as this person, then it's going to show up here. No new notifications. It'll show a 1 or a 2 or a 3. Oh, you've got notifications that somebody wants you to be their friend. And you can click on that. It's going to take you to this member page, and you can either accept it or reject it. You can also search for members. If the page has many members on it, then you can search for people so that if you know who you're looking for, to request to be friends. And that's where, under groups, If you wanted to send an invitation, you needed to be their friend. You need to have a connection. So when you send an invite, you're going to want to invite somebody, but you have to have friendships. So once you've made friendships, you can invite those members to this group. And then on this side over here on everybody's website, it'll say contact us. And if you have any questions or you need any additional help, please don't ever hesitate to use that contact us link. We're always here to help you. We want to help you achieve the goals that you set for yourself, and we're here to support you.